Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Civil Services. Hope so you all are watching Dream Civil Services and revising all previous topics covered in detail. Now today's topic is important for HCS exam for both PT and mains. So let's start with the topic. Today I will cover geographical structure of Haryana. That is all about the geography of Haryana. As we all know, Haryana is located in the northwestern part of India, and the main river flowing in Haryana is Yamuna, which form the eastern boundary of the Haryana state. And mountains are known as Shivalik Range, which are flanks on the north and Aravalli Hills on its south. So north में क्या है, शिवालिक्स हैं और साउथ में क्या है, अरावली हिल्स है. And latitude of Haryana is 27 degree 37 minute to 30 degree 35 minute north latitude, and longitude is 74 degree 28 to 77 degree 36 east longitude. This is also very important for PT exam point of view. And total area of Haryana is 44,212 square kilometer. Now come to land boundaries of Haryana. Haryana is bounded by Uttar Pradesh in the east, Punjab in the west, and Himachal Pradesh in the north, and then Rajasthan in the west and its south location. So this is also very important for PT. And it is also surrounded by the capital Delhi as well as Union Territory from three sides, and it is forming the northwestern and the southern border with the Delhi Union Territory. Now altitude of Haryana is around 700 feet to 900 feet above the mean sea level. And as I said, area of the Haryana is 44,212 square kilometers. So area wise rank is 21st. So this is also very important for PT. Now come to main four divisions of Haryana. There are four geographical divisions of Haryana. First one is Shivalik Hills, and second one is Yamuna Ghaggar Plain, and third one is Aravalli Hills, and fourth is Semi Desert Plain. Now I will cover in detail all four divisions. First division Shivalik Hill. It covers the area of few part of Ambala district, that is Shivalik Hills, and some part of Gurugram, that is in Aravalli Hills. As I said, Shivalik Hills covered the northeastern part of Haryana, and districts covered under it are Ambala, Panchkula and Yamunanagar. And main rivers of the Shivalik Hill areas are Saraswati, which is vanished now, and Ghaggar, Tangri River and Markanda River. So these main rivers come from the Shivalik Hills. And Morni and Tipra Hills are also come under the Shivalik Hills, and there are also some high ridges which are running through these hills, and these are running from northwest direction to southeast direction. So these hills are known as Morni Hills and having the average elevation of around 1065 meters. And Tipra Hills की कितनी elevation है, 1370 meter range. Now come to Morni Hills. Morni Hills connecting between the Himalayas and placing in outer range of Himalayas, and they are separated by the valley of Ghaggar River. And the highest peak in these hills are Karo Peak. So this peak is also very important, and its height is around 1499 meter. Now second division is Yamuna Ghaggar Plain. These plains are alluvial deposits in the basin of mainly two rivers, that is Ghaggar and Yamuna, and it divided into two parts. The highest part is known as Bangar and the lower part is known as Khadar. These are the types of alluvial deposits. These plains are made up of sand, clay silt and hard calcareous balls like gravels, which are known as kankars. And mainly trees are found in these areas are shisham, peepal, mango and neem tree. Now third main division is Aravalli Hills. It lies in the southern part of Haryana. For example, these are the part of residual hills in India and it is also known as Mewat Hills. So इन्हें Mewat Hills भी बोलते हैं. And these are run approximately 800 km from northwest direction to southwest direction along and covering the states of कौन सी states को cover करती है Aravalli Hills? Rajasthan, Haryana and Gujarat. And in Haryana these mainly cover the area of Gurugram district. And the highest elevation area of these hills are found in the southwest part of Narnaul town, which is around 652 meter high. And these are also known as Dhansi hills. तो इन्हें मेवात hills भी बोलते हैं, धांसी hills भी बोलते हैं. And these are the example of residual hills. And state कौन सी है? गुजरात, हरियाणा and राजस्थान. And of sand dunes. सो ये सैंड ड्यून्स है मेनली, इसलिए इनको सेमी डेजर्ट प्लेन भी बोलते हैं. एंड इट कवर्स द पार्ट ऑफ विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ हरियाणा? सिरसा, फतेहाबाद, भिवानी, रेवाड़ी, झज्जर एंड सम पार्ट ऑफ भिवानी आल्सो एंड हिसार आल्सो. Now these dunes are the result of deposition of sand in this area, and this deposition of sand is by the hot dry winds blown from the Rajasthan state, and these dunes are moved from the flow of winds. तो हॉट ड्राई विंड जो होती है राजस्थान से वो डिपोजिशन ऑफ सैंड कर देती है इस एरिया में, जिसकी वजह से सेमी डेजर्ट प्लेन कहा जाता है इनको. एंड दिस प्लेन रीजन इज वेरी अनफर्टाइल ड्यू टू दीज सैंड ड्यून्स, बट सम पार्ट ऑफ दिस एरिया इज प्लांटेड बाय द ग्रीन ट्रीज and is also help to check the extension of these dunes also. And rainfall is very scarce here, and the groundwater of this region is very salty, and the trees are found here are kikar, khair and some thorny shrubs are also found. Now come to climate of Haryana. As Haryana state is maximum area is under the plains, so climate of Haryana is known as continental type of climate, and there is also very extreme of heat in summers, and the weather is also remain hot, and there are some regions where rainfall is very low, and except some parts of the Karnal and Ambala, all areas are under the low rainfall region. And the temperature of the summer reaches up to 45 degrees Celsius in May and June, and around 160 to 751 millimeter is the range of rainfall in Haryana. And these rainfall areas are come under the Shivalik hill region, which are the wettest area, and the Aravalli hill regions are the driest area. Maximum rainfall in Haryana is around 216 centimeter, which is in mainly foothills of Haryana, and minimum rainfall is around 25 centimeter to 40 centimeter, and it is mainly in southern part of Haryana. And in which district is the highest rainfall in Haryana? It is Ambala, around 120 centimeter in a year, and which is followed by Yamunanagar around 110 centimeter. This is very important point for PT. And the lowest rainfall in Sirsa district, which is around 35 centimeter. And Haryana receives around 80% of its rainfall in the monsoon season. And Shivalik region receive the highest rainfall in Haryana. So this is all about the geography of Haryana. Hope so you all understood this topic. So keep watching Dream Civil Services and subscribe, like and share this channel. Jai Hind.